Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we're all gonna be spending some time working on the Blue Beauty today. We got the Stiffler transmission mount. I have no idea how to actually install this thing, but it is a bolt-on, so I'm kind of curious on how it's gonna work, because if it works well, I just put the stock one on this one, but I had to modify it to make it work with a TH400. Obviously, I had to drill 2 holes for the bolts to go into the transmission mount, and then I can only use 1 hole for the actual mount to go on the car. So that is technically incorrect, and for now, it'll work. I just need to get it running and driving so I can go do some skirting. Currently here in Kansas, it is windy. It's about 72, so it's not bad, but currently windy, rainy, and obviously the ground very a little muddy. So I got some wood underneath the stands here. I can't work on it inside, too many cars. So this should be decently easy install. It's just I gotta work outside under the car, which is kind of sketchy. Now I need to find something to lay on because I am definitely not barebacking that. And I don't think I have anything. The box?
No, under the box, the mat.
Yeah, I want something really good to lay down on. You're fine, she's not even laying down. I'm the one laying down. All right, here we go. There we go, you stay there. All right, here we go. Just go all the way in there. Oh no, we're hung up on something. Yeah. It's the jack, it's the stand. All right, that should be adequate. All right, now we just gotta go underneath. I feel like I'm at the salvage yard. Here we go. All right, so apparently we're just pretty much using these holes here and there to just put the holes in the bracket. I gotta take the old mount off. Well, actually, I think we can still use that mount. Okay, this might be simple. Now I just gotta get out and get the tools and the rest of the stuff. Did not think this through. I think we got the one side on, so the longer one, the big one with the vents here, is the driver's side. There's the back side of it. So all we gotta do now is tighten that up, and then I gotta go to that side, get that lined up, but I wanna say it's gonna line up perfectly with that stud here. That wasn't a perfect shot. Bam, bam, well, bam. That should be fairly simple, and I hate being underneath cars. You know, the biggest thing is dirt getting in your eye, and it's inevitable, and you can't not get dirt in your eyes. Everybody that's been under a car knows the feeling, and it's just the worst. I haven't tightened these 2 guys up yet, but I put the bushings, if you guys can see anything. Yeah, it's too bright outside now. Okay, I put the bushings in for the mount, the bolt washer. This guy pretty much lines up in there in the hole. But now I gotta figure out how to jack up the transmission while I'm underneath of it. Can you grab me the jack, please? Or we can just, you know, use the ratchet strap and just jack it on through that hole. We'll be good to go. I thought the instructions kind of say to do this, like put the bracket already on this mount, I guess. So I completely disregarded step 1, but it's cool, it's fine. We're learning, we're doing this on our own. I'm a man, I don't need no instructions, so well, we are off to a good start, I think. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, golly. Oh, Jack's coming to rescue me. Thank you. Appreciate ya. So I had to pretty much remove the mount back off so I can actually hook this up to this. That way it'll go onto that, and that way I can actually bolt these suckers down, because apparently if you don't, nothing lines up, which is fine. It's just super annoying, and I'm getting overly annoyed. And voila, she's up in there, she's tightened. I had to use the side hole because I could not get the middle hole to line up. It's just like a little bit out of the way, but this thing's perfectly lined up in the middle, so I don't know why it's not lined up correctly, but hey, it's in there, and now I can finally get out and we can get to the cool stuff. Next, we gotta get rid of these stock ugly V6 wheels off the V6 Mustang that's now LS swapped, okay? Well, in the true Caboops fashion, I like to always go with Cobra stuff. For some odd reason, it just looks the best. We found some knockoffs that'll work. These tires are for sure shot and beyond repair. I don't know what size, I think I know what size, but I don't know what tire I want to roll with just yet. There's a couple of different options hitting me, so stay tuned on that side. So let's go ahead and get these bad girls off and get these bad boys on. it's already changing the whole look of the car. Look at that bad boy. It's getting hot out here, or humidity is getting high. I don't know what you guys want to think. But one side done, let's get the other side going. Well, after the wheels, we gotta put the intake on, and finally, we got this bad boy. It's from Amazon, but hey, the craftsmanship that the Chinese kid had, pretty good, okay? Go ahead and put this bad boy on. Oh, buddy. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Oh yeah, right there. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. This is why we need a cowl hood. Exactly why. Now we gotta put the bolts in, tighten everything up. I think the gasket's laid down perfectly. That was my biggest fear. And for some, we already grabbed everything, didn't we? Getting ahead of myself. Now that we got the intake manifold bolted up, we got to get a couple other things. Obviously, we got to figure out injectors, run the fueling and whatnot, but that's going to be in a later video. We also got the Stifflers Transmission Crossmember bolted up, so that's good to go. So the transmission is sitting where it needs to sit. I'm so excited. Then we got to run the lines, get the drive shaft built. But right now, a special thing just came in the mail. We got the Rock Solid Motorsports tubular front end for the old Shelby. And right now, let's go ahead and get this thing back inside the garage so I can pretty much show you exactly what we got to work. Let's get this bad boy open. See, I never knew why they got the hood prop and they got the hood struts on there too, which are obviously wore out. So that's confusing me just a little bit. Well, this might be the last time y'all see the old goodness of the bent frame arrows on the old GT500. I'm kind of nervous cutting it, but obviously you can't mess up what's already messed up. Words of advice? I'm going to be watching a lot of videos here in the next coming week. I'm pretty sure there's this line I just follow here, and I cut all the way down, and vice versa over there, and this whole front end just kind of falls off. I need to figure out how to unbolt the fenders. Obviously there's bolts there. I don't know, I think there's probably two here and probably two here, but I gotta figure out how to take the side skirt off. Shouldn't be hard, shouldn't be, okay? And then I did order the Shelby GT front bumper and all the accents that go with it, which was like $2,100, which is incredibly a lot for this. And I wonder, I need to start getting everything unbolted. I think I need to get new fans for the heat exchanger, and I kind of want to get a tubular K-member. I'll probably look into it and see how much it costs. But the Shelby is about to start getting worked on. I'm a little excited, but a little freaked out at the same time. I've never done much work on the newer cars. Like the only thing I did that car over there was, you know, put the belt on the supercharger. But like on this car, I have done everything I wanted to. You know, another Rock Solid Motorsports thing, tubular front end. As you guys see, I have every single thing for suspension wise to put on the car. Besides control arms, I still need to figure out what I want to do on control arm wise. Just get them ordered and go from there. The 5.4 is being used as an S550 dash table for now. We gotta put that in, but we got Deanna's car we need to work on. I got a transmission cooler for the 4L80. We got the B&M Stealth shifter to put in. That thing's gonna be looking a little saucy, but everything else, her car is sitting pretty on those Cobras, looking good. We really need to get this window fixed, but it's fine for now, right? But I did go ahead and spend some extra money on this part that's fully done. It's got rib nuts already put in. It's been TIG welded, so everything on that's for like the headlight and stuff and the grill, so everything can be bolted on correctly. Well, as of right now, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. If you guys have enjoyed today's video, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are not, and guys, everything is coming together well. Stay tuned, it's gonna be crazy. Peace out.